welcome to the daily morning updates from Xtrade Broking Services. This is Prasad Manuel. Let's see the daily morning updates, what we need to get prepared for the market, what are the important points we need to note down, and how the market will behave today. Let's go into that. Okay, yesterday we saw that Nifty saw another strong opening. However, the mid-session we saw profit booking in the index and it went into red, and there was a last hour recovery, and we almost seen a close flat session in intraday close to 200 points. It was a volatile session yesterday. It was close to 200 points. Banks were the main losers. Bank Nifty closed around again lower by 200 points in the intraday, swinging over to 950 points Bank Nifty. So almost the Nifty as well as the Bank Nifty all reached the highs in the morning. From there we saw profit booking happening, and yesterday we discussed that 15,400 and 500 levels will have some resistance. So there was the resistance and some profit booking happened from that side. Because it was a continuous rally, it was bound to happen, and we also discussed that there will be some shakeouts will happen in the market. It may continue also. So which are all stocks which contributed yesterday was metal, pharma, metal, PSU banks led the stocks gainers while the banks, FMCG, IT were seeing the selling pressure, and mid caps also yesterday we are seeing more profit booking happening in those sectors. FIAs and DA numbers. FIAs bought close to 1,144 crore and DA sold worth 1,599 crores. So the reason for the markets to swing, it is because mainly due to the global news which is coming out, and it was mainly due to the profit booking. So what is the trade setup for the day, how we need to get prepared? We are seeing, as I am talking to you, SGS Nifty is in a gap down with close to 88 points, and it is showing somewhere around 15,245. So if you see the US markets, how it closed in gains, but mainly the IT stocks, the Nasdaq came down. So it also in red, and there was also some profit booking seen in US stocks. It was mainly due to the news of that bond yields climbed to the highest over 1.3% as the market see high cost of money with growth momentum returning globally. So this bond yields is creating a small profit booking scenario, and it may not last long, but market was simply going up, and this may act as a small trigger to encourage more profit booking. So apart from bond yields, the oil prices also going up high day by day, and the snowstorm which has been developed in US, it is getting intense, and it is disrupting the normal market flow. So this also added to the profit booking. So the trade setup for the day will be market is overextended, and traders needs to be a bit careful in the long positions at higher levels. Profit booking might happen, that's a chance. Need to see if the initial gap down of Nifty is getting bought. If it's getting bought, we can see a rebound back, and tomorrow being an expiry day, so we need to see the important levels of 15,100 and 15,400. Anything below 15,100 and 15,000 might act more selling pressure. Anything above 15,400 may make the market to go up a little bit further to the 15,500, 600 levels. So we need to plan our day perfectly in such a way that we need to keep stop losses adjusted, and it should be trailed, and the levels we need to watch out will be around 15,200, whether this 15,200 or 15,150 levels getting bought. From there, any turnaround is happening, we need to wait and watch. For Bank Nifty, it will be around 36,500 levels where we can see some buying may come. In Nifty, it is 15,200 levels where we may see some buying coming. In Bank Nifty also somewhere around 36,500 levels we can see some buying coming. And going to the put writing and options data, if you see the put writing is happening at around 15,000 levels, 15,100 and 14,800 levels. Call rating is happening in the levels of 15,400, 15,900 and 16,000. India VIX yesterday slightly it went up. That's the reason we saw the volatility in the market. Yesterday it was in 21.78 levels. So The support and resistance for the day we need to keep an eye in is 15,200 for Nifty and 15,431, which is yesterday's high for Nifty. Either side which is getting breached, we can see the market acting accordingly. The Nifty bank support will be around 36,700. Nifty bank resistance will be around 37,300. So important events for the day. Yesterday we saw Nestle releasing their result. Their consolidated profit were higher, and in the Q4 and Q4 against their previous Q4, their consolidated profit is a little bit higher, and their revenues have rose. So we need to watch out for Nestle stocks. Tata Group yesterday did a merger and acquisition of Big Basket. That news have been opened up, you can see, and we need to see the response in the stocks also. FMCG industries grows close to 7.3% in the October to December quarter, and the rural sales have gone to 14.2%. It is a report given by Nelson. It's a research agency. So we need to watch out for FMCG stocks for any reactions today. TVS Sri Chakra has signed a MOA with the Tamil Nadu government for an investment close to 1,000 crores. We need to watch out for Sri Chakra stocks also. Okay, results, there is no major results. Small companies are coming, so we need not give more importance towards the results today, and we will straightly go into the important stocks to be watched out. We need to watch out for stocks like IndusInd Bank, ICICI Bank, L&T Finance Holdings, Nestle India and Infosys. Why we are highlighting these stocks as important stocks to watch is you need to get into our Telegram channel to get the detailed news on this. Wishing you all success for the day. Have a wonderful trading day today. Thank you.